Hello students, let us begin with chapter 4 of Maths, Operations on Fractions. Students, you have learnt addition and subtraction of fractions in 5th standard. Today we are going to learn types of fraction. There are 3 types of fraction: proper fraction, improper fraction and mixed fraction. Let us see what is proper fraction. Proper fraction means a fraction in which the numerator is smaller than the denominator is called a proper fraction. So what is proper fraction? If the numerator is greater than the numerator is smaller than the denominator, then that fraction is called proper fraction. Now for example, look at this example, 2 upon 9. So here 2 is the numerator and 9 is the denominator. Okay, so numerator is smaller than denominator. So this is a proper fraction. Okay, and 3 upon 5. So it is also a proper fraction. So why it is called proper fraction? Here also numerator is smaller than the denominator. Okay, understood students what is proper fraction? A fraction in which numerator is smaller than the denominator. Then such a fraction is called proper fraction. Now second one is improper fraction. So what is improper fraction? It is the opposite of proper fraction. So improper fraction means numerator is greater than denominator. Then such a fraction is called improper fraction. A fraction in which the numerator is greater than the denominator is called an improper fraction. Correct? Now for example 7 upon 3. This is the numerator and this is the denominator. So here numerator is greater than denominator. Correct? And next one is 19 upon 4. So here also numerator is greater than the denominator. So it is a improper fraction. Now next third one is mixed fraction. So what is mixed fraction? A fraction which has an integral part and a fractional part. That is fractional part, it should be a proper fraction. So is called a mixed fraction. So if now see this is mixed fraction 5 2 upon 3. So this fraction as integral part. So which is the integral part? 5 is the integral part here and 2 upon 3 is a fractional part. So this fraction as integral part and fractional part, and that fraction is which fraction? Proper fraction. See here numerator is smaller than denominator, it is a proper fraction. So this fraction as integral part and fractional part. So such a fraction is called mixed fraction. Okay, and 7 2 upon 5. You can give some other example also. 2 1 upon 3 is a mixed fraction. So here which is integral part? 7 is the integral part and 2 upon 5 is a fractional part. Okay, understood what is mixed fraction? A fraction which has integral part and fractional part. So that is called mixed fraction. Okay, now let's see now how to convert improper fractions into mixed fraction. So what is improper fraction? Numerator is greater than the denominator. Correct? For example now convert 49 upon 6 into a mixed fraction. 49 is greater than 6. Correct? Numerator is greater than denominator. It is a improper fraction. So how to convert into mixed fraction? First divide 49 by 6. 49 divided by 6. So 6 8s are 48. Correct? What is the remainder? Remainder is 1. Correct? Now how to write it in mixed fraction? 49 upon 6 is equal to So mixed fraction we should write in the form of, see this, mixed fraction is equal to quotient remainder divided by divisor. So we should write in the form of quotient remainder divided by divisor. Now how to write this now? See here quotient, which is the quotient here? 8 is the quotient, correct? And 1 is the remainder and 6 is the divisor. This is the divisor. Now write this 49 upon 6 in the form of quotient. Quotient is 8, remainder is 1 and divisor divided by divisor, that is 6. So it is written as 8 1 upon 6. Okay. Now this is a which fraction now? It is a mixed fraction. So we have converted improper fraction into mixed fraction. Understood? Now let's see how to convert mixed numbers or mixed fraction into improper fractions. So mixed fraction is given. Now how to convert into improper fraction? This is a which fraction? 3 2 upon 3, mixed fraction, correct? Convert 3 2 upon 3 into an improper fraction. So how to convert? Let's see. 3 2 upon 3, correct? So multiply the integral part, which is the integral part 3. Multiply the integral part by denominator. 3 into 3. Okay, then add the numerator, which is the numerator here? 2 is the numerator. So add the numerator and divisor remains same. Which is the divisor? Sorry, it is not 3. It is not 5. It is 3. Divisor is here 3. Okay, not 5. 3 into 3 plus 2 divided by 3. Understood? Multiply integral part by denominator. Okay, then add the numerator, then divide by 3. So this is equal to 3 into 3. 3 into 3 is how much? 9. 9 plus 2 divided by 3. Okay, this is equal to 9 plus 2 is 11 upon 3. Okay, now 11 upon 3 is a which fraction? It is a improper fraction. So we have converted mixed fraction into improper fraction. So understood students how to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. Now let's go to the practice set 9. So first question, convert into improper fractions. So first one is 7 2 upon 5. So this is a mixed fraction. So how to convert mixed fraction into improper fractions? 7 2 upon 5 is equal to multiply the integral part by the denominator and add the numerator. So it is written as 7 into 5 plus 2. So this you should write in the numerator. And what is the denominator? Denominator remains same, 5 only. Okay. Then next 7 5s are 35 plus 2 upon 5. So this is equal to 35 plus 2 is 37 upon 5. Now 37 upon 5 is a which fraction? Improper fraction. So numerator is greater than denominator. Okay. So we have converted mixed fraction into improper fraction. So therefore 7 2 upon 5 is equal to 37 upon 5. This is the first one. Next second one, 5 1 upon 6. So how to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction? So multiply 5 into 6 plus 1, numerator divided by denominator remains same, 6 only. Okay, 5 into 6, 5 6 are 30 plus 1 divided by 6. 30 plus 1 is how much? 31 upon 6. correct? So this is a which fraction? It is a improper fraction. Okay, understood students how to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. So therefore 5 1 upon 6 is equal to 31 upon 6. Okay, now next fourth one, 2 5 upon 9. See, I have not solved question number 3. Question number 3 is a homework. Okay, now I am doing question number 4, 2 5 upon 9. So convert into improper fraction. 2 into 9 plus 5 divided by 9. Okay, 2 9s are 18 plus 5 divided by 9. So 18 plus 5 is how much? 23. 23 upon 9. So we have converted mixed fraction into improper fraction. 23 upon 9 is a improper fraction. Okay, now see students, textbook practice set 9, question number 1. Here question number 1, in that third and 5 is the homework. You should write this sum in your maths homework book. Okay, similarly question number 2, convert into mixed fraction, that I will explain now. So in that also question number 3 and 5 is the homework. Do it in your maths homework book. Now next let's go to question number 2, convert into mixed numbers. Here improper fraction is given, so you have to convert improper fraction into mixed numbers. So how to convert improper into mixed numbers? So here you should divide 30 by 7. Okay, divide 30 by 7. So 7 how much are 30? 7 4s are 28. What is the remainder? 10 minus 8. 10 minus 8 is 2. Here 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. So remainder is 2. Correct? Now write this in which form? Mixed fraction. So how to write this in mixed fraction? 30 upon 7 you should write in the form of quotient, remainder divided by divisor. So what is the quotient? This is the quotient and this is the remainder, this is the divisor. Okay, so write in the form of quotient. Quotient is here 4, remainder is 2 and the divisor is 7. So 4 2 upon 7. So we have converted improper fraction into mixed fraction. Okay, now next second one. Second one is given here 7 upon 4. Okay, so divide 7 by 4. So 4 1s are 4. So what is the remainder? 7 minus 4. How much? 3. So this is the quotient, this is the remainder and this is the divisor. So now write this fraction, improper fraction, so in the form of mixed fraction. So how to write quotient? Quotient is 1, remainder 3. Write in numerator and denominator is how much? 4. So 1 3 upon 4. Okay. So how to write? Quotient, remainder divided by divisor. Okay. Now next in this question third one is the homework. Now I am doing fourth one. Fourth one 11 upon 8. So divide 11 by 8. 8 1s are 8. Correct. So 11 minus 8. 11 minus 8 is how much? 3. 3 is the remainder. So this is the quotient, this is the remainder and this is the divisor. So now write improper fraction, convert improper fraction into mixed fraction. So how to write? Quotient. Quotient is 1. Then remainder in numerator, that is 3. And divisor. Divisor is 8, that is in denominator. So 1 3 upon 8. Okay. Now next one is fourth one 20 upon 7. So convert improper fraction into mixed fraction. So divide 20 by 7. Okay. So 7 2s are 14. 7 2s are 14. So here 10 minus 4. 10 minus 4 is how much? 6. Okay. Here 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. So this is the quotient. This is the remainder and this is the divisor. So now write 20 upon 7 in the form of quotient. Quotient is here 2 and remainder in numerator, that is 6, and divisor. So divisor is here 7. So 2 6 upon 7. Correct? Now let's go to question number 3. So what is given here? Write the following examples using fractions. So examples are given. You should write the given examples using fraction. The first question is, if 9 kg rice is shared amongst 5 people, how many kilograms of rice does each person get? So here in this question, what is given? The 9 kg of rice is distributed equally among 5 people. Correct? So you should find out how many kilograms of rice does each person get. So how you will find out this? For example, I will give one example. So if 10 chocolates are shared between 5 children, so how many chocolates does each child get? How you will do that? So you will divide the number of chocolates by number of children, that is 10 by 5. So 10 by 5, you will first write that in fraction form, 10 upon 5. Then if you divide, then you will get 2 answers. That means each child will get 2 chocolates. Similarly here, what is given? 9 kg of rice is shared amongst 5 people. So how many kilograms of rice does each person get? So how you will write this example using fractions? How you will write? So how to find out how many kilograms of rice each person get? You will divide the total rice, that is 9 kg, divided by number of people. So 9 by 5. 9 upon 5 is what? It is a fraction. Correct? So how to write the answer? 5 persons get how many kg? 9 kg of rice. So one person gets how many kg of rice? Divide 9 by 5. 9 upon 5 kg of rice. So you should write only in the form of fraction. So here answer we have written in the form of fraction only, 9 upon 5. So understood how to write the answer. Now next question, question number 2. To make 5 shirts of the same size, 11 meters of cloth is needed. That means for making 5 shirts, how many meters of cloth is needed? 11 meters of cloth. How much cloth is needed for one shirt? You have to find out. So how much cloth is required for stitching one shirt? If 5 shirts requires 11 meters of cloth. So how can we write this question using a fraction? How can we write? So it is written as, for 5 shirts, how many meters of cloth is needed? 11 meters of cloth is needed. Okay. So now you have to find out for one shirt. So how many meters of cloth is needed? So for one shirt, how many meters? So we have to divide 11 total meters of cloth required for making 5 shirts. So divide 11 meters by number of shirts, that is 11 upon 5. For one shirt, so 11/5 meters of cloth is needed. Okay, students, understood now? Students, I hope you understood how to convert mixed fractions into improper fraction and improper fraction into mixed fraction. Okay, in the next class we are going to learn addition and subtraction of mixed fractions. Okay, thank you.